What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to play with your friends in the finals. And let's jump into the method. All you have to do is to go to your settings, then go to gameplay settings and go to this partition network and make sure that crossplay option is on. You may find it on off, so you should make sure that it's on. Then go back and press on this icon right here. From this page you can add friends. All you have to do is to click on add friend, and you should put the Embark ID of your friend. It's gonna be a name plus hashtag plus number, and in order to get your friend's ID you can ask him to tell you about the name above here. In my case here it's playful victor hashtag 1900, or you can ask him to click on his icon in the party, left click, then he will be able to copy it by clicking on this button right here. Then he can Control V or copy it in your Discord or in your chat whenever you are talking. Then you can go add friend, then he will accept it from the requests partition, and after that you can add him and ask him to join you from this point right here like this. And that's all. I hope this video is useful to you all, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications, because I will upload more videos about the finals game. Thanks for watching and see you soon.